Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Jeep steering wheel for optimal comfort and control. First, always ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, locate the adjustment lever, typically found directly under the steering column. This lever allows you to unlock the steering wheel for both tilt and telescopic adjustments. Finding your perfect driving position enhances safety and reduces fatigue on longer journeys. Once the lever is pulled down, the steering wheel becomes unlocked, allowing for tilt adjustment. Gently move the wheel up or down to find an angle that provides a clear view of your dashboard and the road ahead. This helps reduce strain on your neck and shoulders. When you've found the ideal tilt, simply push the lever back into its original position to lock the wheel securely. For telescopic adjustment, with the same lever pulled down, you can now pull the steering wheel towards you or push it away. This feature helps you achieve a comfortable arm reach, ensuring a slight bend in your elbows when gripping the wheel. Once you have the perfect distance, push the lever firmly back into place to lock the steering wheel securely. After making your adjustments, always double-check that the steering wheel is firmly locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it doesn't move. Then, sit back and test your new position. A properly adjusted steering wheel significantly improves your driving posture, visibility, and overall vehicle control, contributing to a safer and more enjoyable ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.